What's going on, guys? I'm Under, your good friend Fury Pixel. Today we'll be giving you a full review of the Poseidon Z mechanical gaming keyboard from Thermaltake. So without further ado, let's get started. Going to do a quick unboxing. In the front of the box we are going to see an image of the keyboard with the most relevant specs. On the back of the box there is also some more information about the software and specs that I will explain later on the video. After opening the box, the first thing we are going to see is the Poseidon Z protected with bubble wrap, the quick installation guide and a 5 years warranty. The TT eSPORTS Poseidon Z mechanical gaming keyboard has a pretty solid design made of hard plastic, and I'm surprised that it's lightweight. This keyboard has 16.8 million colors using high quality LEDs, and it comes with two mechanical color switches, the blue one and brown, and I currently have the blue version. On the bottom we can find 5 rubber feet and another pair on the stands, which helps stabilize and prevents the keyboard from sliding during use. Something that I appreciate is that include groups for the cable management, which allows you to position the cable straight, left or right, keeping everything nice and organized on the desk. Unfortunately, the keyboard comes with a standard rubber cable instead of your soft braided cable most gaming and RGB keyboards get. I would like to see the next generation of keyboards to either come with a braided cable or have a removable cable that you can replace with any size, length, style and color. This keyboard is plug and play, so it's not necessary to use the software to set it up, and you can perfectly use it on Windows and Mac, which is the operating system that I use. You will be able to change between 5 profiles by pressing the function and the profile keys. With function F9, you can set up a preset for your key using the macro recording, allowing you to easily swap as you're gaming two different colored light setup. The keyboard also has the basic functions like volume, music track, brightness control and brightness keys. This also includes a disable window key, which is on the right top corner. To personalize your profile, you will need to download the software from their page. Unfortunately for Mac users, the software is only available for Windows, but all you need to do is to set up your keyboard setting using a friend's PC, and the setting will still apply when you reconnect it back into your Mac. The installation is very quick and easy by just follow the steps. The software interface looks pretty cool but have a few buttons that for some reason didn't work. I believe it's because Windows 10 is fairly new, but hopefully there will be a fix to take care about this bug. In the software you will be able to set up 5 different profiles. Every single one of them will allow you to set up 6 different light option sets. From the ones you can choose between 5 different effects: fully lighted, reactive, aeroflow, wave and bright. And depending on the effect, you will be able to choose between different variations like sound, flow direction, speedness and effects rolling. The performance of the keyboard is excellent, and no matter if it's for gaming or productivity, this keyboard will not disappoint. Overall, I believe that this is a pretty solid keyboard, but the software needs some improvement. Regardless, I can say that I'm satisfied with the TT eSPORTS Poseidon Z mechanical gaming keyboard and I can recommend it. And that was my full review of the Poseidon Z mechanical gaming keyboard from Thermaltake. I would like to know what you think about it on the comments section below, and remember guys, if you like the video, don't forget to give that thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to the channel, and that way you won't miss any of my future videos and content. And your good friend Fury Pixel, see you next time.